Greetings and welcome to another Unreal Engine 4 tutorial. A few weeks ago I got a question from Ted Matthew, and he says, I was curious on how to create a flashing indicator that indicates the player is losing health for this. And when referring to for this, he is talking about a level I created, well, a tutorial I created. So we can see here, it's a player with a health bar, and then when you touch these cubes, you lose health. And you can fill up the health by picking up the health pack. And so he wants to have a flashing indicator that indicates when the enemy is, losing health. And further he says, I'm having trouble as it is a UMG element and I'm not sure if that is possible. Any suggestions would be great, as the Unreal community has failed to address this. Bad Unreal community. Okay, so if you want to learn how to create this specific health bar, then you can click on this video and then come back here afterwards, because I'm using this. And so, as you remember from last time, if you did this tutorial, we created a kill player thing, which is basically these cubes simulating the enemy, giving damage to the player. And so what we will do now is to implement these flashing damage indicators. And I have created a couple of textures that you can use if you want to use the same textures as I'm using to follow along. So if you go to unrealtutorials.com and you go to downloadable content, all the way down, textures. Then you can see you have one here which I've called damage taken, and one damage taken, you are dead. So we will use these two now. Okay, so we will start by importing these. I have this here, so I just drag them in like this, and I'm gonna, you can do all of this in just one widget, UMG widget, but I'm gonna use two because it's simpler that way. So you go to user interface, widget blueprints, and the first one will be just damage taken flash, and then the next one will be yeah, I'll just call it you are dead flash. Now save. Yes. Okay. So then open the first damage taken flash. Simply find an image box and drag it into this designer and make it fill the screen, like the middle of the screen, a good portion of it, just how much you want, like this. And then in the appearance image, find your chosen texture. I'm gonna take the damage taken, use it like this, take it approximately in the middle, and then take this flower thing and place it in the middle. This way it will make sure it shows up in the middle no matter what screen size it is. And then compile. And we will do the same for the you are dead flash. So open that one, take a new image, drag it in like this, and then find that texture like that. Yeah, that's good. And then take this and put it in the middle like that. And I'm just gonna save both of them. Okay, so now we want, or we need to connect this to the kill player thing, because this is where you can see it casts to the first person character and it detracts from the health and everything is happening in here. So what I will do is, first I will delete this. And we still want to cast them to the first person character, so we're gonna connect them after this. But I'm just gonna right click here and then search for widgets, create widgets, and in the class you find damage taken flash, and then you drag this out and you take add to viewport, and if you can't see it, remove the context sensitive, add to viewport, connect target to self because it needs to know which one to reference. And now we can connect this to the cast to first person character like that, and then connect add to viewport to the set and compile, and let's see if it works at all. And there it is, but it's not being removed again, so we need to remove it. So we go back in here and we detach that, drag this out, and I'm gonna add a delay and 0.2 seconds. That's good. That's good. And after that, we're gonna remove it from the viewport. Remove from parents is what it's called now. Remember to connect remove from parents to the widget so it knows what to remove, like this. And then connect this one to that one. Now I will select all of them and press C, and I will call it damage taken flash, whatever. Now let's see. Boom. So now it flashes, and surely you can connect the sound to this, so it's like and then you're dead, you know. So now we're gonna connect the you are dead flash, and that we will do all the way back here. Here you can see dead string quit game, so we're gonna add it before the delay and then drag out from the print string, and again search for widgets, create widgets, select the you are dead flash widget, and then make sure it is viewable for the viewport. So search for viewport and then go down to add to viewport, connect target to the return value, and I will comment this: you are dead flash. 2 seconds of that. Nah, let's take 3 to really rub it in. Compile, save, save. Let's see. Boom, 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 boom. And that's it. So hopefully that will help you along. And yeah, comment, rate, and subscribe. Comment, rate, and subscribe. Peace out and have a great day.